Philanthropy and Humanitarian Work. Brad Pitt has been actively involved in various charitable causes. He co-founded the Make It Right Foundation to build sustainable and affordable housing for New Orleans residents affected by Hurricane Katrina. His contributions to rebuilding efforts have garnered widespread praise. Successful acting career. Brad Pitt continues to be celebrated for his impressive acting career. He won his first acting Oscar for Best Supporting Actor in Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, 2020, showcasing his enduring talent and popularity in Hollywood. Wine business success. Pitt's Château Miraval rose, produced in partnership with French winemaker Marc Perrin, has received critical acclaim. The wine has won several awards and remains a popular choice among wine enthusiasts. Commitment to wellness and health. Brad Pitt has been open about his journey towards sobriety and self-improvement. His commitment to personal wellness and mental health has inspired many of his fans. Film production accomplishments. Through his production company, Plan B Entertainment, Pitt has been involved in producing several critically acclaimed films such as 12 Years a Slave, Moonlight, and The Big Short, all of which won Academy Awards. Environmental advocacy. Brad Pitt is known for his environmental advocacy.